how to create your own community or your own team in the Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can create a community in the Microsoft Teams. So the first step is obviously to launch your Teams application. Currently, I'm demonstrating this using my Windows laptop. So now, once you are inside the home page of your Microsoft Teams, you will see an interface like this, and you can notice that currently we are in the chat section. Now, moving on, you will need to click onto this communities option, and from here you can see that this is where you're gonna build your community. So it's especially great if you want to build a community for your school businesses or maybe personal as well. So to create your own community, you're gonna click onto this purple create your own button, and once you're gonna do this, you can choose any of the predefined types if it exists, or else you can click onto this create my own, and then you can also name your community. So for example, let us name it to YouTube, and then we can also type in a short description as well. And once we are done with this, we also have the community guidelines as well, and then we can click on to this create button right here. And here you can see, just like that, we have successfully created a community in our Microsoft Teams. Now from here you can add people by clicking onto this invite members option, and from here you can either type in their phone number, or also you can type in their email addresses as well. So for example, let's say if I type in an email address, I can see them right here, and I can click onto this invite button, and you can see that an invitation has been successfully sent to them, and once they accept it, they will be successfully enrolled into this particular community. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.